Hello everyone, welcome to Tutor's Factory, India's largest home tutor providing platform. Today you will learn how to register yourself as a tutor on Tutor's Factory. First open your browser and go on www.tutorsfactory.com. Then scroll down and click on register as a tutor. Here fill up your basic details. First fill your full name, your updated mobile number, your email ID. Create a strong password including letters, numbers and special characters. Confirm your password and then check this box and sign up. You will receive a OTP on your mobile. Enter the OTP and continue. Once you sign up, you need to complete your profile by filling some of the details including father's name, select your gender, select your date of birth, enter your full address, enter your PIN code and it will automatically fetch your city. Then enter your school name from where you have done your schooling. Enter the percentage that you have scored in your class 10. Make sure you just type the number. Do not include percentage sign. Just type the number. Select your stream. Enter your college name where you are studying or from where you have been graduated. Type the course name and select the status, whether you are pursuing or you are pursuing a post-graduation, and then click on submit. Once you submit, you need to fill the second page where you need to fill few more details about the subjects and the classes that you are interested in teaching. Suppose you are interested in teaching all subjects of class nursery, so you just need to click on this checkbox. If you are interested in teaching social science and Sanskrit from class 6 to 8, so you just need to click on social science and Sanskrit. If you are also interested in teaching class 9 to 10, you can click your preferred subject, English or Hindi, and so on. After that, you need to choose the preferable time slot for teaching, whether it's morning, afternoon or evening. Suppose I can teach in afternoon from 12 pm to 1 pm, so I will just check this box 12 pm to 1 pm in afternoon. After that, you need to choose the preferable board, either CBSE, ICSE or state board or all. Here I am choosing CBSE, ICSE and state board. After that, you need to mention the years of experience you have in teaching, whether it's 1, 2, 3. Suppose I choose 3, and here you can mention expected tuition fees that you want to charge for per class hourly. Suppose here I am mentioning 100 rupees per hour for per class. Here you need to mention something about your background, and here I am just writing I am expert in teaching maths. Then click on submit. After that, you will be redirected to another page. Here you need to upload few documents, your profile picture and your Aadhaar, driving license or the passport, any of them, and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will be able to see a pop-up of complete your registration. It is for paying a one-time registration fees which will unlock all the classes available nearby your location. Then click on continue. Here you will be redirected to a payment gateway where you can choose your preferable payment option via card, via UPI, and make a payment and unlock all the classes nearby your location.